How to fix signature not showing in Outlook. So here I am in the Outlook welcome page, and then from here, let me go ahead and sign in to my account. So I can just click sign in, and then from here, you can go ahead and sign in your account. You can enter your email and password. But since my account is already saved in my browser right here, I can just click on it, and then I will be automatically logged in. So here is now my Outlook account. So for example, I can create an email right here. Let's say I send it to my other email right here, and then we can put like a subject right here, and then you have your content of your email. And then what you want to do is that you want to put in your signature. So in order to put in your signature, you can just click on this button right here, and then you should see your list of signatures right here. I can also do that if my email draft is open in another window, since some people prefer this type of view. And then you can just still see the signature button right here, and then you can still see your list of signature. So if your signatures are not showing right here, so it might be that you don't have any signature yet. So in my case, I already have 2 signatures right here, so I can click that, and then as you can see, it will be added right here to my email. And then let me just delete that. So if you want to create a new signature, you can just go click signatures, and then you should see your list of signatures right here. And then you can click add signature, and then you can go ahead and put in a signature name. So I'll just put like test signature right here. Then you can go ahead and put in the signature that you want whenever you are ending your emails. For example, I can have the first name, last name right here, company name, position, and then you maybe want to put like the picture of your company. So for example, let's insert like a sample logo. So I can go click pictures. From here, I can go to logos, and then let's say I use this example logo right here. So as you can see, the image is big, so we can just adjust it so that it fits nicely with the email. And then that is it. So we can save this, and then we should now have the test signature right here. So now when we go back to our email draft, we now have the test signature right here. And then what you can also do is that you can put in like a default signature for your emails. Like you can set a default for new messages, and then you can also set a default for replies and forwards. So for example, I put the test signature right here, click save. Now, when we create another email, so let's say I delete that, click new mail, and then you can see right away, it already has the signature right here. And then that is basically it. So if you are using the classic version of Outlook, it will still look similar. So I'm right here. I have an email draft in my classic Outlook account, and then you can still see the signature button right here. And then you can still see your list of signatures, and then you can click signatures if you want to see how they all look. And then that is basically it. So sometimes you might have a problem with your signatures right here. So that may be because you are using like multiple email accounts in your classic Outlook version. So for example, maybe you are using like another Outlook account, and then that Outlook doesn't have any signatures. So in that way, no signatures will appear right here. So you just need to make sure that you are using your correct email account that has your signature. And then that is basically it. So that is how we can fix the signatures not showing in Outlook. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.